Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and I have been using this Geoorood pet grooming kitted vacuum set on my dogs. You'll see some videos here of me vacuuming them. This one is great because it's super quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Um, so it's not very loud, right? So it's on right now, and I'm still talking. So this is what keeps your pets calm while you're vacuuming them with this brush, right? And you'll see a video here. It does have this arm, so if hair gets caught, we can just push the hair back in. But you're going to be able to comb your pets, and it's going to be sucking up that hair as you're combing them. There is 3 different speeds for a better suction. So usually I use one on the pets. Turn this off now so I can talk. I'll use one on the pets, and then there's speeds 2 and 3. Not only is it a pet grooming vacuum, but look at how many options they give you. You can shave your pet, right? They even give you a shaver with different clips, so different lengths and clips in the gray here. You have these upholstery brushes too. So if you wanted to clean your car, right? So multi-purpose, just not for the pets. You can clean your car, you can clean your couch. They give you here to remove the hair off your couch, so you can clean that too as well. We're going to give you some oil to keep this lubricated. So you can get 3 little bottles of oil, and then another brush. And again, that same little button here to get the hair off. So you have 2 different brushes to brush out your pets. So overall, really happy. This is easy to open and empty out. You just take that off and then pop this open. There's a filter here you can clean. And to get it back in, you just push in and then push down. Easy as that. Super happy with this purchase, and I think you will be too.